Hello there techies and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we will take a look at how can we post a message to a Microsoft Teams channel using PnP PowerShell. We already have installed the PnP PowerShell previously, so let's go and import the module. Import module name PnP.PowerShell. Now let's connect with the tenant. Connect PnP online URL. I'm going to pass one SharePoint site URL. Now I'm not going to ask for the credentials. If you would like to ask the credentials, you can use the credentials get credential method. Okay, I'm not passing that and I'm not even asking that. Now how do you connect to PnP online without passing the credentials? To store the credentials first in the Windows Credentials Manager and use them. If you would like to know more on it, I will leave the link in the description and you can go and watch that video. Now that we are connected with the Office 365 tenant, it's now time to work with the Microsoft Teams. So we will use submit PnP Teams channel message. First, which team we would like to post the message. We will specify the team. So for us, the team is Project Secret. Which channel we would like to post the message. So channel, we will be targeting the analysis channel. And then of course, what is the message? So let's go plain and simple. Hello from PnP PowerShell. Okay, and then let's specify the content type, which is the text. We will also see how can you pass the rich text and how can you post it into the Teams channel. But for now, let's go with the simple text. Okay, that's it. Let's execute. Let's wait for the response. All right, let's go and check. So we are into analysis channel and there you can see it. We have the hello from PnP PowerShell. Okay, let's go back. Now let's pass on some rich text. So let me make it a paragraph. And let's just say we're gonna pass the header h1. In here, let's see, this is a header test, and then let's also make some bold text. This is a sample text which should be displayed in bold font. Okay, let's go and test this. Before that, we need to change it type to HTML. Okay, good to go. Let's click run. Let's wait for the response. Okay, we got the response. Let's go back. Okay, there we have it. We can see hello from PnP PowerShell. This is a header test and you can all see entire text in letter bold. Okay, so this is how you can also post a channel messages using PnP PowerShell. I thank you for watching the video.